Here's a quick demonstration on how to improve an image quality if you want to take an image to print production. So for instance, as this example that I've just mocked up, this just say is a logo file. So this one's only small. So as you can see here, it's only 1080 by 180 pixel. So what you'll do is wherever you're going to print it to, they're going to say what dimensions are ideal. So find out what that is, and just say, for instance, we're doing this as a t-shirt. So they might say that they want this at 3000 by 3000. So you'll input those in, then you will go copy and resize. You will then open that resized image, and now that's at the size format that the print provider wants. So we will then download that as a JPEG, and this quality toggle here, take that right up to 100 to improve the quality. Download that. Now once that's downloaded, what you need to do then is convert the DPI. Because for instance, if I go into this file here that we just downloaded and go to information, that's currently at 96. So Canva defaults all images that it outloads to DPI of 96. When you upload these like this to the print platforms, that's why they can print out blurry, is because that DPI is too low. So this needs to be a minimum of 150. Some print platforms will like 300. So you usually find things like fabric t-shirts that are forgiving in the print process because it absorbs a bit into the material, only require the 150. But if you're getting it printed onto wrapping paper or journals or something like that, quite often they might specify 300 because that needs a crisper because of the print process is a little bit different. So then what you'll do here is you'll then go to a free converter. So this one's Convert Town. So if you just Google that, Convert Town, here you'll set the DPI. So you can either set it for the 150 or the 300, depending on what print provider asks you for. You'll choose your image. You will put that in, and that then downloads that image at that file. So if I go to here, we've now got that. That is at the 3000 by 3000 and the 150 pixels. So then when you upload that to the print provider, it won't go blurry then, it'll maintain some of its shape. So that's good up to, a decent size as far as merchandise and things like that. It's just when you start getting a lot bigger than that, then you'd want to look at going into another program like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or something to really get that quality up. But this Canva approach is good for, most applications where the size doesn't get too large.